How to make your cell phone faster and delete files with viruses. Many times when we download files, we don't realize the consequences that this can bring. Then, it is necessary to find an alternative with which you can optimize the functioning of the RAM memory and find a way to free up space on our mobile. Also, to be able to detect unauthorized Wi-Fi. The steps you must follow are this. Enter the Play Store on your phone and look for the Clean Master application. Then start the download and wait for it to be on your main screen. Click and select the button to start. The main screen will show you several options. As you can see at the top, there is the percentage of your mobile storage and the percentage with occupied RAM. In the central part of the screen, the images of the 4 processes that the app executes: trash file, antivirus, games, and tools. At the bottom, you find a garbage icon. If we select the antivirus icon, it will carry out an immediate scan of your mobile to verify if there are insecure elements, in this case, not. In games, some of the ones you can download for your cell phone. And finally, in tools, you will find safe battery, CPU cooled, notifications, app lock, Wi-Fi speed safe browsing, remove antivirus, vault and security protection. Finally, you will find the file manager, app manager, duplicate photos, large files and WhatsApp cleaner. In the upper left part, you will find a menu in which you find several options with which you can interact and change the settings to your preference. Don't forget to update your application, and so you will have your mobile safer. Keep in mind that as you use and download new files, you will have to verify the cleanliness of your cell phone.